Master the art of single column layouts in Webflow to make your designs shine on any device. Let's start by identifying the main container for your content often. This will be a section element. Ensure you've selected it in the Navigator panel. Now, head over to the Style panel. We're looking for the Layout settings. You'll typically find this under the Layout tab. The key here is to set the display property to block by default. Many Webflow elements might be set to flex or grid, but for a single column, block is your friend. Next, let's make sure this element spans the full width available to it. Find the sizing settings and set the width to 100%. This ensures it fills its parent container. While 100% width is good, you might want to set a max width to prevent your content from becoming too wide on very large desktop screens, which can be hard to read. Adjust this to your preference, perhaps around 1200 pixels. If you have specific content blocks, like a div block, that you want to stack, you'll apply similar principles. Add your div block inside your section. Again, in the Style panel for this div block, set its display to block and its width to 100%. This tells it to take up its own line and fill its container. Repeat this process for any other content elements you want to appear in a single stacked column. Each one, set to block and 100% width, will naturally stack on top of each other. To improve readability and visual spacing, adjust the top and bottom margins of your primary section. This creates breathing room around your single column content. Similarly, you can add padding to the left and right of your section. This provides internal spacing between the content and the edges of the container. For a global single column approach, you might consider applying some of these styles directly to the body element. However, this should be done with caution as it affects the entire page. And there you have it. Your content now beautifully flows in a single column, perfect for a focused and responsive user experience, especially on mobile devices.